How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Stone Ridge. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with an incredible tiny home by the name of the Stone Ridge. Yes, for those of you who are in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home, and you've been asking for a loft with a lot of exterior living space, this tiny home may be the one for you. And this home today is coming in at 15 feet wide. It will be 42 foot long, and that's going to include the 12-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $114K, $114,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And if you're subscribed like you should be, you know how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages with Mr. Tiny. You know I like to bring the curb appeal. That's going to be as soon as you pull up to the Stone Ridge, you will see that it has beautiful craftsman bases wrapping around the entire exterior porch. And not only did we give you the craftsman bases, as well as the double 2x4 tops on your post, but we also added the stone accent, hence the Stone Ridge. So that is a great feature that offers that aesthetic appeal that's going to attract the eye, guaranteed every time. In addition to that, to make some color pop added to the rock accents, we have the beautiful blue hue as the base color on this particular home. We also went with the trim in a white. We have the metal roof, and then we have black windows going throughout the entire home. So all of that meshed together adds a one-of-a-kind, beautiful tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this is one thing, seeing it down from the main area, but go ahead and follow me up onto this porch where you see where things get really interesting, because as soon as you walk on to this wraparound porch, you'll see that you have tons of exterior living area because the composite decking wrapping around with that 30-year warranty leads down the side of the home, and you don't get just any outdoor living space. You get this, a 12-foot porch that is featuring a wood-burning fireplace. As you may have seen on some recent episodes, we featured a lot of exterior fireplaces as of late. But one thing we've done is feature it in a variety of placements each and every time. So on this particular Stone Ridge, you'll see that this model has the fireplace off to the side of the porch. So that way you have the entire front space right here open and available for you to attract the views, and also have as more usable space for your exterior furniture. So with the fireplace out of the way, over to the side, you have a space up above that you can place your TV. Also, your exterior mantle is in the redwood stain to, of course, match your tops of your porch posts. But then again, with the wood burning fireplace, I know people ask me all the time, Mr. Tiny, can you do gas? It already has the access for you to convert to gas if you wanted to do so after delivery. You just get a licensed plumber to change it out, and you can make this gas if you prefer. But as it comes, it is wood burning and a great option for anyone that loves to spend their time outdoors. And again, with 12 feet of exterior space, you'll see tons of area for you to hang and congregate with your friends and family. Also, you have a window here, large transom up above, 2 exterior electrical outlets, but it doesn't stop there. As we come down the side, you'll see that this keeps going and offers additional space over here to the side that you can store additional outdoor items. Me personally, that would be where my grill would be set up, just out of sight, out of mind, over to the side, but when you need it, it's very convenient. But that's enough about the outside. Let's go ahead through this Texas Star door and see what the Stone Ridge has in store. And here we are on the interior of the Stone Ridge, and as you'll see, this is an amazing layout, and why it is one of the most popular floor plans that we offer is because as soon as you have the side door right here on this floor plan, you enter the home and your kitchen is to the end of the home. What that does is offer ample countertop space for you to utilize and take advantage of. In addition to that, you also have an island on wheels that adds as additional countertop space when you need it, and a great place to grab a bite to eat as well. You'll see over here that you do have the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, the additional cabinetry going around the home in hickory, and we've even added a hickory stained southern yellow pine soffit up above your cabinetry to keep that cabin aesthetic going. Speaking of an aesthetic going, let's look up there at this long transom window. I love that because you get the view of the interior porch ceiling as well as the ceiling fan. So that way, once you're throughout the home, you can still gaze out and get views no matter the location. In addition, we do have a stainless steel one basin farm sink. Clients love this. You guys love this option, and we have it. One option that you tend to love and always ask about is a dishwasher. Many of you, when downsizing, have to realize many clients prefer to have more storage than a dishwasher, especially if it's just one person. So in these homes, we're going to have the cabinetry space there. Now, if you want to option a dishwasher in, you're more than welcome. But when it comes to downsizing, storage is key. So if you do not see a dishwasher in the home, you best believe it can be added. It's just we would rather have the cabinet space rather than just assuming that you want a dishwasher. Because again, if it's just one person, it's very easy to clean up after yourself, but it's very difficult to find an additional space to store an item. With that said, we'll keep it moving. You have the stove right here with the glass top in stainless. You have the air fryer convection oven up above, additional cabinetry wrapping around, and then of course you have the clear story windows up top bringing in the natural light. And as we take it up top, let's get a great view of the full southern yellow pine ceiling in this home. This is going to be southern yellow pine stained in hickory, of course, to match your interior trim as well as your soffits and interior doors in this home. This way you get a cabin aesthetic and a little splash of the cabin feel without doing a full interior cabin, where it's walls, everywhere is wood, ceiling, etc. This is where you get the best of both worlds. You get the sheetrock walls, but then you still have the cabin aesthetic up top and around your trim. So I think this is a great option. Speaking of great options, let's talk about the fact that since I mentioned this kitchen is to the end of the home, what that does is give you an abundance of space in the center of the home for your living area. As soon as you walk over here, you'll see right here centered, we have a full-size love seat, and easily could have been a full-size couch right here. You have so much space over here that's not even being utilized currently. So that gives you an idea of how much space you have in a tiny home. That's very rare, but when it comes to Mr. Tiny and recreational resort cottages, we want someone to downsize and style in a home that they can live in and grow in. Large windows right here, additional clear story up top, and then directly across from the sofa wall, you will have your entertainment wall with the built-in entertainment center, completed in the hickory cabinetry, large and tall cabinets with the adjustable shelving inside. Also, you have the space right here that you can mount your TV on the wall or easily place it on top of your entertainment center. I mentioned this home does have a loft as well. We'll get a good look at it right here from the living area. What's cool is it offers ample space for additional storage or additional sleeping, and with the open loft rails, it makes the home feel even larger. So it's just that added bonus for anyone that loves the loft, whether you have grandkids or you just want an extra space to utilize in a tiny home because you want to maximize that 399 square feet. That's a great option. But we'll get there at the end to show you how much space you have up there. But speaking of space, let's talk about the stackable washer and dryer area. Right here where you have space for a compact stackable, right here it's plumbed, ready to go for you. Pocket door right here leading into your bathroom. Where in the bathroom, we're going to have the linen sitting on top of your countertop. additional drawer bank down below. You do have the mirror medicine cabinet combo, and then you will get the full tile shower where you have the providential gloss tile in a vertical pattern with the white grout, soap dishes in each corner, and then you do have the Moen magnetic handheld shower head. So that's a great feature. Makes it very easy and convenient for you to clean all your crevices. And then as we come on out, another pocket door leading directly from the bathroom into the bedroom. And in this bedroom, you'll see that it accommodates up to a king-size bed. Yes, that's another reason why this is one of the most popular floor plans Mr. Tiny sells each and every week, because of those bonuses there. The in kitchen, the loft, the wraparound porch, and then a king-size bed in your bedroom. You can't beat it. Windows on each side. You have your mini split AC and heat system right here, all controlled by a remote. You have one in your bedroom, also one out in the main area to adequately heat and cool this space, no problem. Then across, you will see that you have your storage area where you're going to have your built-in 6-drawer dresser there centered, space up above for you to add decor or a TV if you would like. Each side is going to be your barn doors. Your barn doors are going to be real wood, ladies and gentlemen. And then in here, you will have the space for you to have the shelf and rod to store your clothes. So 2 of those, one on each side, makes it very convenient for anyone looking to downsize. And the king size bedroom wasn't enough. Go ahead and follow me out, because remember, we do have one more feature, and that is the loft. And as we make it up to the loft, we're going to take a look at these stairs leading there. Hickory stairs, and if you're subscribed like you should be, you know how we do it. Storage in the stairs to make sure you have a little secret hiding space for those things that you need out of sight, out of mind. But let's go ahead and take it up to the loft of the Stone Ridge to see how much space you have. Now here we are in the loft space of the Stone Ridge, and as you'll see, some of you may be on the fence about, should I have the loft, should I not have the loft? Well, I can say this, the loft space is an added bonus as it does not count as any square footage, and if you are okay with having a lower ceiling in your bedroom and bathroom area of this model, which comes out to be around 6'6", 6'7" on the main level, then I don't know why you wouldn't have the loft, just because it adds that extra space, whether it's the grandkids coming over to sleep or if you have family in town once a year or twice a year, they have a space here that they could sleep out of the way and without having to sleep on the couch. They have a designated area. Also, if you like to have a craft area, you have hobbies, or you like to just read. I have plenty of clients that turn this into a reading nook. You have all of the above, or you can simply just use it as storage. Not have to go out and spend money on an additional shed. You have additional storage right here in your tiny home that you can get to quick, fast, and in a hurry. Something like Christmas decor. Keep it out of the way until you need it. Or your summer clothes in the bedroom right now, as you can see. And then when it comes winter, swap them out and bring your summer clothes up here. You have those options. In addition to that, you'll see in this particular loft, we have the trap windows here on the back side. Very cool aesthetically just because of the shape, but also doubles with the natural light. Clear story windows on each side. Also, you will see a great shot of that pine ceiling from up here, so that way you can really capture that beauty. But this beauty that you really need to be capturing is the view from the loft area down to the main area, where you can really see how far 399 square feet can go. This is what makes our home so unique, so special, is because we maximize the space where we can and make it where tiny home living is something that you can still live big while going tiny. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this video tour. To recap thus far, I want to say again, this home goes by the name of the Stone Ridge. It is coming in today at 15 foot wide. It is 42 foot long, and that's going to include that 12-foot porch. And it's on sale today for $114K, $114,000. You'll get everything you saw today besides furniture and decor. And what I need you to do is hit that thumbs up right now if you enjoyed this video tour. Also, subscribe, If you haven't done so already, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but hit that subscribe button and also comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of this Stone Ridge model was today. Again, many of you who are subscribed like you should be, you're familiar with this floor plan, but we like to add different tweaks each time. Let me know what you think of this particular version. In addition to that, if you want to contact me directly about purchasing the Stone Ridge today, you can hit me up directly on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Stone Ridge as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my social media. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.